I'm Chris Packham, and this undercover investigation exposes the extreme suffering behind Morrisons chicken. The butcher's on Market Street. That's how Morrison brands one of its popular chicken labels. It's sold as welfare assured and conjures up images of friendly local farmers. But how much of this is fact and how much is fiction? This summer, animal protection charity Open Cages decided to find out by filming a number of intensive chicken farms owned by one of Morrison's main suppliers. Meet the FrankenChicken, an animal engineered to grow unnaturally heavy, unnaturally fast. These chicks are born and locked into these giant factory farms, and in only 35 days are forced to grow to a monstrous size. FrankenChickens are cheap and efficient. On every one of the filthy, overcrowded farms, investigators discovered that the animals were suffering from painful deformities and debilitating lameness. Their bodies are simply unable to cope. Can you imagine the searing pain in your legs as they became more sore, deformed, and useless? Can you imagine the fear of not being able to get up, of being trampled, or of the creeping starvation? Can you imagine suffering a heart attack with no one to help you? The more paralysed you become, the less you'd be able to escape lying in your own waste and the wastes of thousands of others. You'd be forced to stew in the ammonia day after day as it singes and burns your delicate skin. As a highly social animal, you would live every day surrounded by the stench of death, the barns littered with the rotting bodies who never made it. Their necks broken as they were too sick to live. For some, their hearts will simply give up. These images may be shocking, but are they to Morrisons? FrankenChickens are the supermarket's terrible, cruel secret to how they keep their prices down. But these highly sensitive animals pay the price behind closed doors. This footage has revealed a widespread cycle of extreme suffering. It must come to an end. Fortunately, it can. Hundreds of companies have pledged to stop selling FrankenChickens, but Morrisons refuses. This is the ugly truth of Market Street, and the British public deserve to know it. Most importantly, animals deserve better than this. If you agree with me, please share this video and visit morrisonsmisery.com to take action. Thank you.